Assalamualaikum. Earlier 3 today we were having maths unit, and in that we have started our new topic, which was greater and lesser than numbers. So now let's see what we have done in our class. Now let me tell you what is the greater and lesser. Earlier 3, whenever we have to compare anything, so how can we compare it? Now let me tell you, for comparing any number and anything, so we can use different sign, different symbol, and we are having their different names as well. Now let me tell you these names first: greater, lesser, and equal. Repeat it again: greater, lesser, and equal. These are the three names. So, and they all are having their own symbol, they all are having their own sign, which we can use instead of their name. And how can we use these signs? How can we use these names? So let me tell you. Okay, earlier 3, as we are having different fruits. Now let me give you one example. Like I am having 5 apples in my one hand and 3 bananas in my other hand, and we have to compare it, that which one is greater and which is lesser in quantity. So how can we compare these things? So for this we can use a symbol, we can use the sign, and I will tell you how can we use this sign. But now look at the first sign. First symbol is of the greater symbol. We can use this sign, this symbol, for the greater quantity, greater number. Second symbol we can use for lesser quantity, lesser number. And now look at the third one. This is the equal sign. Whenever we have anything equal, if I have 5 bananas in my one hand, 5 bananas in my other hand, so they both are equal in quantity, so we can use this sign over here. If I have number 2 in my one side and number 2 in my other side, so they both are the equal number, they both have their equal quantity, so we can use the equal sign. Now let me tell you how can we use the greater and lesser sign, and how can we remember it. Now look at this one. Mr. Alligator is hungry for lunch. Find the biggest number and munch, munch, munch. Earlier 3, do you know alligator is hungry and he want to eat more food, he want to eat the greater number, greater quantity. So what he can do, he is having two choice, he is having two numbers. In one side he is having number 9 and he is having number 5 in other side. Now he want to eat the biggest number, the greater number. So what he can do, where he can open his mouth, towards the number 5 or number 9, towards the lesser quantity, lesser number, or the greater quantity and the greater number. Obviously Mr. Alligator is hungry and he want to eat the more food, he want to eat the greater number, biggest number. So what he can do, he can open his mouth towards the greater quantity, the greater number. So which is the greater number in them? Obviously number 9 is greater, so he can open his mouth towards number 9. So in the same way, whenever you want to compare anything, any number, so you can use this sign, but you have to remember it, that Mr. Alligator is hungry and he want to eat more food. So from where he can open the mouth, he can open the mouth towards the greater quantity, the greater number. As you can see, number 9 is greater than 5, so he can open his mouth, he has opened his mouth towards the number 9. Now earlier 3 we have done one activity in our class. Let's do an activity for greater, lesser and equal numbers. What we have done in our class, we have taken 4 ice cream sticks first and we have made the mouth of the Mr. Alligator. We have made the symbol of the greater and lesser sign. And with the 2 ice cream sticks, we made the equal sign. And what we have done, we have taken one tray and we have used beads in them. So I have asked students to put one side they have put it greater quantity and in other side they have put it the lesser quantity, and after that they have showed me which is the greater in quantity and which is the lesser in quantity. So you can try this activity in your home as well. You can try it and tell me how is this. You can enjoy this as well. What you can do, you can take fruits as well and compare these. You can take vegetables as well, you can take beets as well and compare it. So you can try this activity in your home as well. Alright, Jazakallah everyone. Allah Hafiz.